Welcome to our channel. Are you a ham radio enthusiast looking for the most powerful handheld radios on the market? Or perhaps you're new to amateur radio and wondering which device will give you the best bang for your buck? Today, we're diving into the world of handheld ham radios, ranking the 7 most powerful models that promise exceptional performance, durability, and features. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade devices, we've got it all covered. So let's get started and find out which radio takes the crown. 7. Baofeng UV-5R. The Baofeng UV-5R has earned its place as a budget-friendly favorite among amateur radio enthusiasts, but it comes with its fair share of compromises. This dual-band radio operates on VHF 136 to 174 MHz and UHF 400 to 520 MHz frequencies, offering basic communication capabilities for those just stepping into the world of ham radios. It features 128 programmable channels, a built-in flashlight, and FM radio functionality, making it a versatile tool for casual use. One of the UV-5R's standout features is its affordability. It's one of the cheapest options available, which explains why it's often recommended to beginners. Additionally, it's fairly easy to program using Chirp software, which allows users to customize frequencies and settings to their needs. However, the manual programming process can be frustrating for those unfamiliar with ham radios, and the user interface is far from intuitive. The buttons are small and not particularly ergonomic, which can make operation cumbersome. In terms of performance, the UV-5R delivers up to 4 watts of power output, which is sufficient for short-range communication in urban or suburban areas. However, its range is limited compared to higher-powered models, especially in rural or obstructed environments. While some users have reported decent performance with upgraded antennas or external setups, the stock antenna often underwhelms. Durability is another area where the UV-5R falls short. The lightweight plastic construction feels flimsy, and it's not designed to withstand harsh conditions. Users looking for a rugged option for outdoor adventures or emergency scenarios may find this radio lacking. Additionally, there are concerns about its compliance with FCC regulations regarding emissions purity, which could be a deal-breaker for some. 6. Radioddity GA-510. The Radioddity GA-510 offers a significant step up from the UV-5R in terms of power and features. With a maximum output of 10 watts and tri-power settings, 10 watt per 5 watts, 1 watts, this dual-band radio provides better range and flexibility for different communication scenarios. Its robust feature set includes dual-channel monitoring, manual programming capabilities, and an SOS alarm function. One of the GA-510's key strengths is its extended battery life. The package includes 2 2200 mAh batteries that deliver up to 96 hours of standby time or 12 hours of continuous use at full power. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts or emergency preparedness kits. The dual-band functionality, VHF-UHF, adds versatility by allowing users to operate on different frequency ranges depending on their needs. However, while the GA-510 boasts impressive specs on paper, real-world performance can be inconsistent. Some users have reported that its actual output power is closer to 8 watts rather than the advertised 10 watts. Additionally, while manual programming is possible directly on the device, it can be tedious and prone to errors due to the small screen and complex menu system. The build quality is another area where the GA-510 shows room for improvement. While it feels more solid than the UV-5R, it still lacks the ruggedness required for demanding environments. The absence of an official IP rating means it's not guaranteed to withstand dust or water exposure. Despite these drawbacks, the Radioddity GA-510 remains a strong contender in its price range. Its combination of higher power output, extended battery life, and dual-band capabilities make it suitable for intermediate users who need more performance than entry-level models can provide. 5. Baofeng AR-152. The Baofeng AR-152 takes things to another level with its military-inspired design and impressive specifications. This tactical-style radio offers up to 15 watts of output power, significantly more than most handheld models, making it ideal for long-range communication in outdoor or emergency situations. It operates on both VHF 136 to 170 Hz and UHF 470 MHz bands and includes 128 programmable channels. One of the AR-152's most notable features is its massive 12,000 mAh battery pack, which provides exceptional longevity. Users have reported being able to use this radio continuously for several days without needing a recharge, a game changer for extended field operations or disaster scenarios. The battery also supports multiple charging methods: wall charger, car charger, USB, adding convenience. The AR-152's build quality is another strong point. Constructed from durable ABS material, it's designed to withstand drops and harsh environments better than earlier Baofeng models like the UV-5R. While it doesn't have an official IP rating for water resistance, its rugged design inspires confidence in most outdoor conditions. However, this model isn't without its flaws. Despite its tactical appearance and larger size, which some users find appealing, it lacks advanced features like GPS functionality or digital communication modes found in higher-end radios. Additionally, while its high power output is impressive on paper, some users have noted that actual performance can vary between production batches. Another potential downside is its bulkiness. The large battery makes this radio heavier and less portable than other handheld options. This might not be an issue for those who prioritize durability and battery life over portability, but could be a drawback for casual users. Number 4. Tidradio TD-H8 2nd Gen. The Tidradio TD-H8 2nd Gen is a feature-packed dual-band ham radio that has quickly gained attention for its innovative design and advanced capabilities. With a true 10-watt output power, this handheld radio delivers a longer communication range than most competitors in its class. It operates on both VHF 144 to 148 MHz and UHF 420 to 450 MHz bands, making it versatile for various amateur radio applications. One of the standout features of the TD-H8 is its wireless programming capability. Using the Oddmaster app, users can program channels, search for nearby repeaters, and update configurations directly from their smartphones, eliminating the need for a programming cable or PC. This makes it incredibly convenient for operators who are constantly on the move. The app also allows for firmware updates, ensuring that the radio stays up to date with the latest features. The TD-H8's 1.77-inch color LCD screen is another highlight. It provides excellent resolution and displays essential information like channel names, power levels, and frequency settings in a clear and visually appealing manner. The screen is larger and more vibrant than those found on older models like the Baofeng UV-5R, offering a superior user experience. In terms of battery life, the TD-H8 includes a 2500 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery that supports up to 12 hours of continuous use or 60 hours on standby. While this is impressive, some users have noted that backup batteries can be difficult to source, which could be a drawback for those planning extended outdoor trips. Additionally, while the radio feels solid and well built, its bulkier design might not appeal to users seeking a more compact option. BF-F-HP Pro. The Baofeng BF-F-8HP Pro is an upgraded version of the popular UV-5R series and offers significant improvements in power, functionality, and durability. With tri-band capabilities, VHF, UHF, airband, and up to 8 watts of output power, this handheld radio is designed to meet the needs of both casual users and serious operators. One of its most notable features is its ability to scan aviation bands, 108 to 136 MHz, making it a unique option for enthusiasts interested in monitoring air traffic communications. Additionally, it includes NOAA weather channels for real-time weather updates, a valuable feature for outdoor adventurers or emergency preparedness. The BF-F-8HP Pro boasts an impressive 1,000 memory channels organized into 10 separate zones. This allows users to categorize frequencies by purpose, such as local repeaters, travel channels, or special event frequencies, making it easier to manage large channel lists. The inclusion of USB-C charging adds modern convenience, enabling quick recharges without proprietary cables. However, while the BF-F-8HP Pro offers excellent performance on paper, some users have reported inconsistent power output levels during real-world testing. For instance, while it's rated at 8 watts on high power, Actual measurements often fall slightly below this figure, depending on the frequency band used. Additionally, manual programming can be cumbersome due to its complex menu system and lack of intuitive controls. Despite these minor issues, the BF F8HP Pro delivers solid build quality with an ergonomic design that feels comfortable in hand. Its advanced features, including GPS location sharing, RX-only, firmware upgradability, and compatibility with Chirp software, make it a versatile tool for amateur radio enthusiasts looking for more than just basic functionality. Number 2. Ailunce HD1 Ham Radio. The Ailunce HD1 Ham Radio is a professional-grade DMR digital mobile radio device that combines rugged durability with advanced digital capabilities. Designed specifically for amateur operators who require reliability in challenging conditions, this dual-band transceiver operates on both analog, FM, and digital DMR Tier 1 and 2 modes across VHF 136 to 174 MHz and UHF 400 to 480 MHz bands. One of the HD1's most impressive features is its IP67 waterproof rating, which ensures protection against dust and immersion in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. This makes it an ideal choice for outdoor activities like hiking or emergency scenarios where environmental conditions may be harsh. Its robust construction is complemented by a large 3200 mAh battery that supports up to 16 hours of continuous use or several days on standby. The HD1 offers an extensive memory capacity with up to 3,000 programmable channels and support for 200,000 digital contacts, perfect for managing complex communication networks. Built-in GPS functionality adds another layer of utility by providing real-time location data during operations or emergencies. While the HD1 excels in many areas, it does have some limitations. For instance, its direct conversion receiver design can become desensitized when operating near strong signals, a drawback during emergency drills or crowded events. Additionally, programming can be less intuitive compared to other models like Baofeng radios. Third-party software like Chirp isn't supported, requiring users to rely on Ailunce's proprietary tools. Overall, the Ailunce HD1 stands out as one of the best options for serious operators who need a durable and feature-rich DMR analog radio capable of handling demanding environments. Number 1. AnyTone AT878 UTUP Plus. Taking the top spot is the AnyTone AT878 UTUP Plus, widely regarded as one of the most powerful handheld ham radios available today. This dual-band transceiver combines analog FM and DMR Tier 1 and 2 digital capabilities into a compact yet feature-rich package designed for both beginners and experienced operators. The AT878 UV Plus offers unparalleled versatility with support for up to 4,000 memory channels, 10,000 talk groups, and an incredible 500,000 digital contacts, making it future-proof as new users join DMR networks worldwide. Its APRS, Automatic Packet Reporting System functionality allows users to share their location in real time via GPS, a valuable feature for outdoor enthusiasts or emergency responders. Bluetooth connectivity adds another layer of convenience by enabling hands-free operation through compatible headsets or car audio systems. The radio also includes multiple programmable buttons that can be customized to access frequently used functions quickly. What sets this model apart from competitors is its comprehensive support system. Buyers gain access to Bridgecom University's training course with over 150 tutorials tailored specifically to this device. While some may find attaching monetary value to these resources questionable, as they are marketed as free, they undeniably make learning how to use this advanced radio easier. Despite its many strengths, there are minor drawbacks worth noting. While it's IP54 rated for dust and splash resistance, it falls short of being fully waterproof like the Ailunce HD1. Additionally, some users have reported occasional bugs with APRS implementation, though firmware updates often address these issues promptly. In summary, the AnyTone AT878 U2 Plus is an exceptional handheld ham radio that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Its robust feature set makes it ideal for anyone seeking top-tier performance in both analog and digital modes, while maintaining ease of use suitable even for beginners. And there you have it, the 7 most powerful handheld ham radios ranked. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear, there's something here for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy transmitting!